We're given a string of digits like 35428, and we want the largest odd number we can read from the front of it. A number is odd only when its last digit is odd. So the real question is, how far to the right can we keep the prefix and still end on an odd digit? Here's the greedy insight. Keeping more digits from the left always makes a bigger number, so we want the longest prefix we can. But the number is only odd if its final digit is odd. So we scan from the right end, looking for the first odd digit we meet. Everything from the start up to and including that digit is our answer. If there's no odd digit anywhere, no odd number exists, so we return the empty string. We start an index at the last character and walk leftward. For each digit we check whether it's odd by taking it modulo 2 and seeing if the remainder is 1. The first odd digit we hit from the right becomes the cut point, so we return the slice from the start up to and including it. If we never find an odd digit, we return the empty string. Let's build it live and watch where the cut lands on different inputs. We start at the last digit and get ready to walk leftward across the string. The first odd digit we meet from the right is the cut point, so return everything up to it. If we never found an odd digit, there's no odd number, so return the empty string. Now let's test it and hit run. See how it works. 35428 cuts back to 35. The all odd ending keeps everything, and all even digits give the empty string. The flow is a single scan from the right. Start at the last index. While the index is valid, check if that digit is odd. If it is, return the prefix up to it. If not, step left and keep looking. If you fall off the front, return the empty string. How fast? In the worst case, when there's no odd digit, we scan the whole string once, so the time grows linearly with the length. We only track a single index, so the extra space is constant, not counting the slice we return at the end. Keep these in mind. First, only the final digit decides whether a number is odd, so scanning from the right is exactly right. Second, if every digit is even, there is no odd number, and the correct answer is the empty string, not a 0. And third, when you slice, remember the end is exclusive, so use index +1 to keep the odd digit itself.